Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to fix phone storage almost full system data. So first of all, you need to clear your Safari caches. So go ahead to apps, try to pin down Safari. So go inside Safari, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna clear history and website data here, right? And you can choose the time frame and your profile if you have more than one profile created for your Safari. Next, go ahead to advanced website data and go ahead to clear your website data, all the websites you've basically logged in and signed up for, right? By hitting here the red button, remove all website data. Next, delete and reinstall heavy apps. So go ahead to the main settings, general, iPhone storage, and you're gonna see the apps that consumes a lot of data. So in my case, Google Drive. So I'm gonna offload the app and reinstall it again, or delete the app and reinstall it from my App Store or Google Play, right? Like WhatsApp or Spotify, or in my case, Google Drive. So you can dump their hidden caches, right? And of course, offload unused apps. So go to the iPhone storage or go back to the iPhone storage and look for any unused app. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel.